In today's video, I'll show you 3 common Instacart checkout tips to avoid mistakes so your order goes smoothly. 1. Replacement preferences. Before you check out, make sure to review your cart and set replacement preferences for each item. Choose specific item, best match, or refund if an item is out of stock. This prevents unwanted substitutions and avoids last-minute back and forth with your shopper. 2. Delivery address and instructions. Double-check that your delivery address is correct and that items are available in your area. Choose between leave at my door or meet at the door depending on your preference. And add any additional instructions in the text box to ensure your order is delivered exactly how you want. 3. Delivery timing. Select the right delivery window for your needs. If you need your items quickly, consider priority delivery for faster service, though it may cost more. If timing isn't urgent, a later window can give you more flexibility. And that's it! Follow these 3 tips to make sure your Instacart checkout is smooth and hassle-free.